Hello and welcome. Before we get into this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a message that I keep getting from Pinterest. So my social media posts are on Pinterest, TikTok, and YouTube. And I'm getting copyright issues from Pinterest for some reason. I have never been flagged or anything on TikTok or YouTube. So this is a whole Pinterest issue. And basically what it is saying is that this video may contain music owned by somebody else. Now, I always get my music from Pixabay because it is a great website for music that is, copyright free. What I don't quite understand is when looking back at this whole error that I'm getting, I have had these same posts posted last back to school and they were never removed for the audio. So I'm thinking that this is something new with the Pinterest platform, that they're developing their own kind of video aspect to it. I did see on my account that they're doing a beta version of live streaming. So I just think that they might be tightening their belts on different music and copyright issues. So I get this email, and basically it's just saying that the audio was removed because it may contain the following music. Now, I can heal this. I don't want to. It's not really worth my time. So in the future, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my audio from the YouTube studio, Creator Studio, and anyone can do this. You can go and sign up for a creator account, get the audio. You never have to post on YouTube if you don't want to. So that is where I'm going to be going forward on my next set of social media posts, and I will see how that works. I really don't have a great solution for this. All that happened was I don't get any strikes against me. They just removed the audio, which it's just like a slideshow, so it's fine. But that is something to keep in mind when you are creating pins and stuff. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make social media posts. For me personally, I'm going to be doing TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube Shorts. Pinterest is going to be my main focused area, but I'm just going to throw it all up on each platform to get more exposure. It's not going to hurt anything is my motto. Now with Pinterest, there are different formats that you can follow. So basically, if, I'm ever in doubt on what I should do, I search the internet. I don't know everything. I looked up Pinterest post size. This is on blog photoadking.com. So basically, there are different pin sizes, and they have the recommended size, infographic, and video pin. Now, I always do video pins because I feel like it engages your audience. Within visual design, graphic design, social media design, studies have shown that attention span is basically 8 seconds. So you have 8 seconds to grab your audience attention. And I think by having a video pin, you're going to grab your audience attention because with the video, it is constantly changing, so you're getting re-engaged within your audience. That is my personal experience. That is my experience as a graphic designer. Am I right? I don't know. But that's my reasoning behind doing a 1920 by 1080 pin. And by doing that, it will be formatted for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. So for me, I'm all about trying to get the most out of the content that I make. When we are in Canva, what I typically do is I just go over to the custom size. I do 1080 by 1920, and I create a new design. And that will give you the vertical format. Now, down here we have what are called our pages. And then for this ad, we're only going to have one page to start with. Now, I know that I need to create 3 to 4 pins for each product that I am going to be doing for July. I'm all about customizing templates. You can search templates for a video. And you can come up with so many different things. So there are different things you can do. So I'm going to go up to my uploads and I'm going to go up to my videos. And I'm going to do a trailer for my back to school worksheets. And there's already music added to it, which is great. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to enlarge this so that it takes up the whole space. And then I'm going to click on the background. And then what I'll do is I'll go in and I'll grab the gray background color. And then what I typically do is I go over to Elements, grab a square, and I will extend this area down here where it says Back to School Worksheets, and I will grab that color so it looks consistent. And what you can do is you can rearrange this how you want. For a lot of these platforms, I like to add some text. And then I will put link in bio. And I will go ahead and pick the same font. Do it in white to match. And then I'll go over to Elements and I'll look for animated. And I'll look in the graphics to see what I will look in the graphics and see what animated graphics they have. I might do this little triangle thing just to kind of bring attention kind of to the bottom. And I'll just go through and edit it, something like that. And then I will change this to all caps to match the video, and I will center it. And then I will always proof my video, and then up at the top you can also grab, the text and put maybe no prep. Just to help your audience see what value it adds to your product. So no prep worksheets maybe. Just so that it gives you added value. So then it just kind of shows your audience why you should buy this. Oh, it's no prep worksheets. Yes, I want that. And then as you can see, I kind of cut this off down here. So that's good that you kind of look through there and see. So this is how I will create my first pin. So even though we're going to be doing multiple pins, I kind of like them to look a little different. So we have this first pin. So what I will do is I will duplicate it, and let's say we get rid of this background. And let's look up something that's related to school. Let's look up notebook paper. And we will go over to graphics, and they have so many different options. So you could do something like, so this is page 2. Let's put maybe this in there. And we will get rid of this animation in the background. And let's go ahead and move that up. We will go and center it. And then this needs to be enlarged just a hair. And let's make link in bio a different, more handwritten. And we can do that in black. So it looks slightly different, still fun. So it gives you that back to school aesthetic. And you can also change out the colors on some of these. So if you wanted white, you could do a white paper. But I kind of like the tones. I like the neutral tones because it does go well with the video. And I actually might change this to more of a darker brown. Or I will grab a dark brown out of the photo. So there we go. Here is another format that we did that looks different. And then let's go ahead and add a new page, and we're going to look at maybe a chalkboard. Let's search for chalkboard. I'm going to, so let's look for chalkboard. Let's look at photos. Perfect. Let's do a photo chalkboard. So we're going to put that in there as the background. We're going to look for a Polaroid. We can do something like that. Oh, even better. I went over to graphics. Here is this. I will just copy and paste this video, and we will put it inside the Polaroid frame. So it's all about working with what you got. I'm just going to center that. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab my no prep worksheets. I will put that up here. I'm going to definitely do it in like a handwriting. And then I will click link in bio. And what I'm going to do is I just like copy and paste this stuff. It's the easiest. I'm going to put this in the area where you typically write. And I'm going to make sure these match. And then I will do this in a black color. Go ahead and move that up a little bit just so that it gets balanced. It kind of looks plain down here, so what I'll probably do is I will literally just take these and I'll put it in there, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower the transparency a bit. And here is what my third video pin looks like. And it's pretty easy to make these and kind of just pump them out. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to download them. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to share, and you are going to want to download. Now, what you are going to want to do is you are only going to want to do one page at a time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download page 1 as an MP4 video, and these may take some time to download. So when you're ready to download it, what I do is I will put the name like Back to School Worksheet. One, and then I will save that. And then I will go in and I'll repeat that process for each page. So download MP3 video, unclick page 1, click page 2, and this will download it into a new video format. Download. Now for me, honestly, I think downloading them takes the longest amount of time. Make sure you put all of these in a folder so that they are better organized, so that you can just drag and drop them into Metricool and schedule your posts. Now, next time I'm going to be showing you how to actually use Metricool and upload your videos or your posts, whatever you're doing. It is so simple. So hopefully this was helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give it some thumbs up. Thank you for everyone who's showing love to my videos, And also, we've got some good suggestions for new videos coming up that I'm excited about.